Do you believe that some Igbo proverbs are no longer relevant in today's world? Let's think about it. Let's just analyze these things and see if some Igbo proverbs are still relevant to us today. Yeah. We're going to look at these some proverbs really to see if some of the Igbo proverbs are still relevant in today's world. Okay, let's delve right into it. Number one. Mgbe onye ji tete. Mgbe onye ji teta. Obolo ụtụtụ ya. Mgbe onye ji teta. Obolo ụtụtụ ya. This proverb means that whenever one wakes up, that is one's morning. That's the meaning of this proverb. Now, is this proverb still applicable in today's world? Okay, come to think of it. If I wake up in the afternoon, I say it is my morning. Yes, it is my morning. Will I be able to achieve what someone that woke up at 5 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 6 o'clock achieve? Will I be able to do that? Number one, I don't think so. If we are given the same materials, we have the same efficiency, the same skill sets, I do not think so. What do you think? Okay, let's even look at it this way. Now, you say, now, multinational companies, if you are 25, you are too old to work for them or with them. You are an old person. I mean, we're talking about people in their 20s. That's what they want in multinational companies today. Now, please, tell me. They asked you to go to school. You said no. Learn a skill. You said no. At 30, you woke up and said, I want to go to school. Of course, that is your morning. But does it give the same results? I'm just thinking out loud. Does it really give the same results? Let me know what you think. What do you think? What do you think? Is it really applicable today? Because if you learn skills earlier on, you make more progress earlier on too. For instance, if you have good skill sets in your 20s, in fact, in your teens, you begin to make money. You begin to make so much money. Now, imagine you have been making money, gathering experiences from your teens to your 20s, to your 30s, 40s, 50s. Imagine where you would be compared to someone that starts to learn a skill in their 30s, 40s, or 50s. What do you think? Of course, this is not to say that if you are older, you shouldn't start. No way. Remember, in my last video, I talked about some proverbs telling you that ta bubo, today is early. So I'm just thinking out loud. Let me know what you think about this proverb. Let me know what you think. Not off. And don't forget to hit that follow button and like. Kemesia.